Assalamualaikum class 4. I hope you all are doing great at your home. Welcome back to our computer class. First, I want to appreciate the student who answered the question of the previous lesson, and there is only one student, and his name is Hamza. So very well done, Hamza. You did a great job by answering the question that I mentioned in the previous lesson that you have to answer. Okay, so keep it up. You are really doing amazing job. Okay, so for the rest of student, I also want from all of you that you have to write the answers of the question that I asked in the last of the lesson. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of the previous lesson. So you have to answer this question to yourself to understand how you learned what you learned from the previous lesson. Okay, so the first question is what is multimedia? Okay, the first question is what is multimedia? Okay, now the question number 2 is, can you give an example of multimedia in your daily life? So these are the questions from your previous lesson, and if you know the answer, then you have to write yes, you have done with the recap in the comment section. If not, then you have to view the previous lesson to know about these answer. Okay, so we will start our today's lesson. Our chapter number 3 is multimedia, and today's topic is component of multimedia. Text, images, audio, video, and animation. We will learn these component of multimedia today. Okay, we will learn about the component of multimedia. The first component is text. Okay, so what is text? It is the most basic component in the MS PowerPoint. If you without the text you can't do anything on the multimedia. ये जो लिखा हुआ है this is your text. ठीक है, text is the information in the written form. Okay, so that's why it is the most basic component of any software. Okay, it includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Letters that's mean alphabets ABC. Numbers mean 1 2 3 4 5, you're counting, and symbols means plus, minus, addition, your brackets. Okay, so this is all are included in the text. After that, the text is used in books, presentation, websites. The text is used everywhere in the world. हर तरफ आप लोग देखें, कुछ भी ओपन कर लें, there is a text, there is an information in the written form. Okay, so it is very important in every software, and basically in the MS PowerPoint. If you want to create a presentation, then text is the basic component. After that, there is an example of text, that is writing titles in PowerPoint. If you want to write something in the PowerPoint, so there is an example of text that if you write your title or subtitle in your PowerPoint presentation, then it is an example of text. For example, when you are in your physical class, you write that write in copies your chapter name, date, day, your subtopic, classwork. Okay, so this is the form of text that you write in your copies. Okay, so now I will move to the PowerPoint. So this is your PowerPoint, and in the previous lesson we discussed about the title bar, your ribbon, your slide area. ठीक है, so your status bar. Okay, so now we will learn the component of this slide. ठीक है, slide के जो component है उसको देखेंगे. The first one is text. ठीक है, so you can look at here. This is click to add the title. So we will write the title over chapter number unit number 3, that is multimedia. media. Okay, and now and for the subtitle, what is the component we are discussing? It is text. Okay, so the subtitle is text, text. Okay, now I add the text here. For the title I write the unit number 3 and multimedia, your name of the chapter, and after that for the subtitle I write the word text here because we are discussing the text. Okay, so you can also change the look of this of your text. For example, I want to change the style, so I will go to the home option. First I have to select this word and go to the home option, and after that we will select the font. Here for example I want to select this one. Okay, so you can also change the writing size. Okay, you can also change the size of your text here from here. So for example this one is enough. Okay, so after that you can make it more darker or bold by clicking on B. You can make it italic, you can make it underline word. Okay, so you can also add the text shadow by clicking on this. Okay, so look at here, there is a shadow for this text. Okay, so if you want to add some color in your text, so you will go to the this option, the font color. Okay, so you can select any color from here. For example I am selecting the blue one. So look at here, now the text color is changed. Okay, so this is your first component of your presentation component. Okay, so you can also change this one bold, and then you can also do it italic, and you can increase the size for this. Okay, so this is your presentation slide number 1. After that we will move to the second point, that is images. Okay, so images, you can also add the pictures and photos in the presentation. Okay, so pictures and photos that make content attractive. ये आपका जो content है, जो आपकी presentation है, उसको क्या कर देता है? Attractive, more attractive कर देता है. For example, if there is no images or picture in your books, then it is not quite interesting or attractive for all of you, because if there are two books, अगर आपके सामने दो books हैं, and in the first book there is no picture, and in the second book there are a lot of picture, then most of the student will choose the second one, because there are a lot of pictures, because the student find the second book more attractive. Okay, so if you want to make something more attractive, then you have to add the images, videos, and audios in it, so the students or the people will attract to that area. Okay, so you can there can be drawing, photographs, or graphics in your presentation. For example, adding a picture in the MS PowerPoint or MS Word. Okay, so you can also add the pictures in MS PowerPoint, and you can also add the picture in MS Power Word. So now we will learn how to add the images in the PowerPoint. Okay, so we will go to the PowerPoint, and you can all now the first slide is done. We want to add the second slide, so you can go to this home option and click on the new slide option. Okay, new slide. Okay, so you can select any one of the slide here, and I want to select for example this one. Okay, so the second component is images, and I want to make it more beautiful. Then I will add the bold and change the color for this, sorry, style of this image. And for example I am inserting the image. This is the description, MS PowerPoint. Okay, so now you can add the picture here. You can go to the insert option, and then click on the picture option, and then you can add the picture online if you have the internet. And if you have the picture in your device, in your PC, then you click on this PC device, and for example I will select this one. Okay, and then you have to click on the insert. Now the picture is inserted in your presentation, and then now you have to adjust it. आप इसके कॉर्नर पर अपना कर्सर लेके जाएंगे, ठीक है, एंड देन यू क्लिक ऑन द लेफ्ट माउस, आप अपने लेफ्ट माउस को क्लिक करके रखेंगे, एंड देन यू कैन ड्रैग इट, आप इसको ड्रैग करेंगे, एंड यू कैन एडजस्ट द साइज ऑफ योर इमेज. ओके, so I will place it here. Okay, so why we add the images in our presentation? Because it is used to make your presentation or work more attractive. Okay, so we learn about how the text, and after that we learn about the images, how to insert the images in the presentation. And now we will move to the next component, that is audio, how we add the audio in the PowerPoint. Okay, so we will learn about this component also. So audio refer to the sound, music or voice. Okay, if there is a sound, there is a music, or there is a voice, then it is the example of audio. It include in the audio option, audio component. Okay, so it makes multimedia interesting and engaging. It आपकी images add करेंगे तो वो भी attractive show होगा, but if you add the audio, अगर audio भी add करेंगे, then it will be more interesting, more engaging for us, because there is audio also. Okay, so for example, listening to a voice note or a background music in a video. ओके, आप अगर कोई वीडियो प्ले किया है तो उसका कोई म्यूजिक होगा, कोई बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक होगा, ठीक है, या फिर कोई वॉइस नोट होगा, देन इट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, मोर इंगेजिंग, ठीक है, मोर फन फॉर वॉचिंग दैट वीडियो और दैट प्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी विल मूव टू द पावर पॉइंट एंड नो हाउ टू एड द audio in your slide. Okay, so we will make the new slide, this one, and now we will write the title here, that is audio, and make it more attractive, bold, and this one. Okay, audio. Why audio includes sound, music, okay, and any kind of voice. It makes your work or presentation more attractive and interesting. Okay, now we will add the audio in this slide. So you will go to again insert option, because again we want to insert something in our presentation, so that's why we are moving to the insert option. And after that, look at here, there is a here there is the word option for the audio. You click on it, and then you again you can record your audio. If there is no audio for in your PC, then or if there is a audio in your PC, then you click on the audio on my PC. Okay, so I will go to the download, because there is an audio. So the extension we use for the audio is MP3. Okay, so you have to click on it, and then you can insert it. आप इसको insert करेंगे. ठीक है, so this is your audio here. Okay, so now the audio is added here, this one. ठीक है, so this is how we can add the audio in our presentation. If we click on it, so you can play the audio also. Okay, Now I hope you understand how to add the audio in your presentation. So this is the step of adding the presentation in your audio. You can also add this with the play in the background selection. Okay, that's all for the audio. Okay, now we will move to the next component, that is video. How we add a video in our presentation. So before adding, we will discuss the some point about the video. The first one is combination of images with motion. It can be the combination of images with the motion, or it can be a simply video. Okay, so it include visual plus audio. इसमें क्या क्या होगा, visual भी होगा, मतलब आपको कुछ images भी show हो रही होंगी, and plus there must be there is also the sound. Okay, it include visual and sound. Okay, and for that there is an example, watching cartoon or movies. So they are watching cartoon, जब भी आप कोई कार्टून को वॉच करते हैं, so आपको images भी शो हो रही होती है और उसके पीछे आपको साउंड भी उनके साथ शो हो रही होती है. So this is an example of video. Now we will move to the PowerPoint, and we will add the new slide here. Okay, so the title now is video, and I will make it attractive. Okay, so it includes visual and sound. Okay, again it makes your video more attractive. Now how we will add the video? Again you want to go to the insert option, and then here you click on the video, and go to this device, and there is a download, and you can select the video here. .mp4 is the extension for the video. Okay, you have to click on this and insert. You can also adjust it now again. Okay, so this is your video. If I play this one, so look at here, your there is a visual and it is moving. ये क्या कर रही है, move भी कर रही है. Okay, so this is your video. So you can also add a video in your presentation. Okay, so after that we will move to the last component of your for today's class, that is animation. You can also add the animation in your presentation. So it is a special effect that make pictures move. ठीक है, ये एक स्पेशल इफेक्ट है जो आपकी पिक्चर्स को मूव करने में हेल्प करता है. इट इज यूज्ड इन कार्टून, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड मूवीज. ये मूवीज में, कार्टून्स में और एड्स में भी यूज होता है मोस्टली. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल टॉम एंड जेरी और 3D एनिमेटेड मूवीज, उनमें हम एनिमेशन ही यूज कर रहे होते हैं टू मूव for the movement of our objects or our characters. Okay, so we will move to the PowerPoint and add the new slide here. The title is animation. Okay, it includes characters and objects. Okay, after that the second point is used in cartoon, movies, advertisement. Used in cartoons, movies, okay, ads. So how we can add the animation here? For example, I'm selecting this one, and you can move to the option animation here, and you can add. Look at here, this ये animation add हो रही है. Okay, so this one. Okay, for I am selecting the split. There is a appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, and wipe. There is more. Okay, so I am selecting this one. Okay, after that you can also add the animation for this one. For example, this float, in or fly, fade, wipe, or split. Okay, so you can also add the animation here. So if I will play the go to the preview, so look at here the presentation we created. Okay. Okay, so this is the animation, and animation, we add the animation in this area. So this is the presentation that we created. How many pages are there? There are 5 pages in the presentation. The first one is we will do a recap, wrap up. The first one is the text. We can add the text. Then we learn about the images, how we insert the images, how we insert the audio in our presentation, how we insert the video in presentation, and how we insert the animation in the presentation. So that's all for today's lesson. And there are some recap question, wrap up question. Name any two component of multimedia. You have to write the two component of multimedia. After that, the second one is which component do we use when we want to hear sound. हम कौन सा component use करते हैं when we want to hear sound. Okay, and after that, what is animation? Animation क्या होता है ये? Now you have to write all of these question in the comment section. So I will check your answer and mention your name in the next class. Okay, so great job students. Make sure to revise today's lesson and write the wrap up question in the comment section. And you have to practice this component in the MS PowerPoint also. And you can create, you can also create the presentation and take the print out and bring it to the class when there is a physical class. Okay, so make sure to revise it, and don't forget to bring the printout of the presentation to your physical class. In our next class, we will learn about uses of multimedia in daily life. So see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.